So in this video, I'm just going to be sharing with you how you're going to be able to just get Twitter Spaces right here on your Android device. If you think maybe because of this notch right here, you think this phone is an iPhone or something, then let me just go to the settings and show you that this is a Google Pixel 3 XL. So there's the phone, Google Pixel 3 XL, so meaning it's not an iPhone. And most of the Android phones, or I think Android users, were limited to this Twitter Spaces where you can just hold live audio chats right here by just starting a space right here and making it very possible for you to reach a lot of audience or most of your followers. So in this video, I'm just going to share with you how you're going to be able to just activate this feature right here in order to just start a live talk show or start using your Twitter Spaces. So if you're here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to like this video, share it to anyone you think this is going to be helpful to them. And without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Play Store and then you type in Twitter. And then you check and see if you're on the latest version, and afterwards you're going to go to your browser, and I'm going to leave the link for this website right here in my description so that you guys are going to be able to just follow the link and then come to this web page. Okay, so this is what you're going to see right here. Excited about Spaces? So are we. Fill out the interest form below and we will keep you in mind when we expand in the future. Don't forget to follow our Twitter Spaces for the latest updates. Please note, this does not confirm or guarantee you will have access to Spaces in future. We are slowly expanding the community to make sure we are learning and growing with the feedback. But yet still, I don't lie about this. I just did this and then I took my mind off it for like 2-3 days, and then I got the Twitter Spaces on my application. So what you're going to do is you're going to fill out this form right here. You see, you put in your handle here, you put in your name, and then you put in your email right here, location, and then what device you use in tweeting, either laptop or something, any other device you use. But mostly I think it's going to be helpful if you choose your phone right here, Android phone, if you are using an Android phone. If you are using an iOS device too and you don't see your Twitter Spaces too, you can pick your iOS right here and you put in an answer right here, whether you've already tried using any other audio app right here, they want to know. And then you put in this right here, be honest, I will join a Twitter Space hosted by someone else too. And then you show them whatever you want to join and then listen on any other person's Twitter Spaces. Okay, so the next thing, you just type in your answers right here, and when you're done you just submit it right here. So you submit this Google form and you give yourself at most a week, 2 days to a week, and you're gonna get your Twitter Spaces. I don't lie about this, I did it. I think it took me like 5 days and I got this feature right here which I want to share with you. And I got this feature right here, the Twitter Spaces right here, which is the new thing right here. And most of the Android users are using Twitter Spaces because Clubhouse brought up their audio social network, but they limited it to just only iOS users, and Twitter Spaces is just in for both Android and iOS users at the moment. It was actually rolled out to just iOS users, and then it was gradually rolling out for just Android users recently. So you guys can try this out, and then you're going to be able to just get this feature right here. So if this video was very helpful, just give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I have a lot I'm going to share with you guys. And without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.